guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Kathy, and for today's video, obviously, it's going to be a KKV haul. Again, this is not sponsored. Yes! I mean, it would be so nice to be sponsored, diba? But it's not. And as an arts and crafts lover, I was like, you know what? We need to go there and we need to see what they actually have for us. Why are people saying na yung mga nakapunta, oh my God, it's like craft heaven and so many things. And for me, again, this is my opinion. I could be wrong, I could be right. Para siyang pinasosyal na Divisoria. Like, you know how Divisoria has a range of things and treats and knickknacks, trinkets, food, pampaganda. Parang ang wala lang sila clothing except for the hats. But everything else, it's there. Sosyal talaga na Divisoria. Don't believe me? Watch out. Okay, so we are back again on this channel. We do a lot of unboxings, reviews, first impressions. We also dabble in arts and crafts. We actually get like deep dive head on to arts and crafts, diamond painting, journaling, stickers, pens, and ball pens, markers, and the like, mga pampasaya lang sa buhay. Things that, not really needed, but it adds great value to life in the sense na it helps you ground yourself, it helps you relax your mind, it helps you become more focused. Because when you do arts, it actually really, mentally strengthens you in a way. Sa mga hindi naniniwala, it's totally fine. But for those who have tried it, you guys, you know what I mean. So, if this is something that is, your drift, your thing, please go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and share. We are already at 5,100 subscribers. Again, the goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And that would be such an awesome gift in 2025. So hopefully, we actually achieve that. Enough of my talking. Let's go ahead and open this. So this is going to be a real talk. This is a 7,000 peso haul. Sa KKV. Kaya sabi ko talaga, no, we are going to do a haul video, and then we are going to do more planner journal videos and more of kaya ba ng kids ninyo gawin yung mga arts and crafts doon, or sayang lang ang pera. So it's more of a gagastos or di gagastos type of thing. Okay. Oh wow, oh my gosh. Okay, so ayan po. And actually, meron na kasing hindi nagkasya. So, sisimulan na lang siguro natin sa mga hindi nagkasya sa box para yun yung mauna at makita po natin lahat. Okay? So, ito po yun. Tada! Ayan. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. Okay? So, again, woo! This is like the wildest unboxing ever. I'm so sorry, guys. But, I'm not gonna cut it so that you guys see what truly happens. Kasi nga, we are not perfect, but we are always real. Ayan. Okay, so first off, this one. This is a felt kit. Okay, so this is less than 200. Sadly, guys, I can no longer remember all the prices. But, wala ditong over 500. Okay? Except ata. No. This one is also less than 500. So, mamaya na yan. So, this is a felt kit. Marami silang ganito, actually, guys. So, this is a felt kit. This is rug hooking. Okay? And then, meron din silang, I think, paper pulp art. Ayan. So, para tong si Clay Pass. Okay? For those familiar with Clay Pass. Ito yung parang Chinese version. So, KKV is from China, guys, as far as I know. It's a Chinese store. So, there. Ayan. May pipe cleaner din. So, I chose sunflower because I remember my mom with it. And obviously, I got this all. Again, yung first 4 boxes. So, this one, felt kit. This one, the rug hooking. And then, whoa! Ano na, Lord, my gosh. Pipe cleaner. They're all less than 300 pesos. Yon, okay? Less than 300. Parang ako nag-live selling. Ano na? Then kasi may mga nagtatanong sometimes, magkano yan? And I'm like, so you know, I'll just try to mention and remember. This one is a 3D relief color painting set. So, ito yung design na napili ko. Kasi again, it's yellow, reminds me of my mom. Will I be able to, I will do this on cam and try to see if I shall be successful. Kasi, ano to one of my frustrations in life was to paint and draw and, you know, color really well. Wala talaga akong talent. But sabi nga nila, never say never, malay mo, maghimala. And it actually happens, diba? So, ayan. This, $3.95. $3.95 or $4.95. Basta less than 500 din siya. Okay? And then, ayan. Simulan natin sa mga malalaking items. Woo! Tada! Creative graffiti and funny graffiti. So, it's really a coloring thing. So, di ba, yung graffiti, makulay siya. So, this is, parang I think they called it that. Kasi yan nga, parang siyang nasa wall, and then kukulayan mo. Ayan siya. I think this is around $2.85. Ayan. Ay! Ayun. Bakit may blanco? Weird. Okay, wow. My blank spaces, I guess for, I have absolutely no idea where there are blank pages. But, it's 20 pages daw of coloring, and I guess 20 pages of drawing. Okay. And then, wow. Ang bigat. This one is a storybook na coloring book. Ayan. Mahilig kasi akong mag-color. Kasi nga frustration ko siya. So, syempre, pinapasa ko sa anak ko. And he actually does color horribly right now. But, you know, sabi nga, practice makes perfect. So, I'm sure he's gonna get better. I mean, I'm 40 plus. I still color horribly. He's only 5 and he colors way better than I do. This one, actually, hinuhulaan ko lang. This is $1.99, $2.99. It's a scene thing. Well, it's a scene thing. So, ayan, diba? Nakita natin. It's in Chinese. I'm Chinese. I don't know how to read this because it's been so long. But I believe, alam mo yung nauuso ngayon na parang, ayan, may sala. And then, you have the stickers. Silidikit mo isa-isa. So, parang you DIY the scene, so to speak. So, imbes na parang paper dolls, eto, stickers siya. Tapos, parang ang end result dapat ganyan. We'll do a review of this, okay? So, we'll have a separate video just for this. Same with the boxes na DIY felt kit, paper pulp, mga ganun, okay? Then, kumuha pala ako ng, buti ibang design. O, di ba? Hindi ko napansin na dalawa pala siya. So, ayan. Again, $2.99, $1.99. Ganun talaga kamura. As in, nakakatuwa yung KKV. Kaya mabubudol ka eh. Or ako, nabudol lang ako. Meron din sila nito, Little Doodles. So, again, this is really just coloring books. Ayan, diba? Bakit ang daming coloring book, Kathy? Kasi, I like to give my kids options. And summer is pretty long. You know, for kids, when they get bored, nako, diba? So, I would rather them have options to choose from. Maraming coloring books, maraming activity books, para pili-pili lang sila. This one is the same as the one I showed you. So, it's a scene. So, that's S-C-E-N-E. Okay? Not S-E-E-N. Scene. So, eksena. And then, magde-design ka. Ayan, oh. So, see? So, may mga ganitong stickers sa loob. And then, de-designan mo yung mga yan. So, yung pail, ikaw maglalagay kung saan mo siya ipapwesto. Ganon. So, para mas masaya, we'll do separate videos on this. Okay? And this one, it's a line drawing. So, alam mo yung connect the dots? So, apparently, they call it na line drawing. Nung time ko, my gosh, 40 years ago, 35 years ago, it was called connect the dots. Ngayon, ano na siya? Line drawing. This one, again, like what I said, coloring book. But I like this kasi copy the color. Yeah, so ako yung wala talagang kwenta sa color. So, I really like yung, oh, may kakopy na lang ako, diba? Kasi pag ako yung nag-color combination, sadly, it really looks... I'll give you an example. I did two colors, metallic silver, metallic gold. Ang pangit, ang tsaka, as in, sobrang pangit nung ginawa ko. But, ayun, it is what it is. And then this one, let's cut paper. Nadoble ko rin siya. So, I'll show you guys what's inside. Ta-da! So, it's to actually help your little ones master cutting. Siyempre, siguro sa umpisa putol yung ulo, ganun-ganun, labo-labo. But, there's 108 pieces na paper. So, siguro naman by the time dumating siya sa pinaka 108, alam mo yun, medyo okay-okay na siya. And then, these are also scene stickers. So, again, we'll create, separate videos on this para din makabawi tayo sa ginastos ko sa haul. Diba? And then, I'll tell you my honest thoughts as always. Gastos, hindi ka gastos. Is this worth your budget or not? This one is just really a want. It's a notebook with Neckos, our cats. Diba? Sobrang cute. Yun lang. Yun actually yung purpose niya. Sobrang cute. And then, ayan na. Nagsisimula na tayo sa mga kabaliwan ko lang, actually. And aminado naman po ako doon. Okay, I'm not gonna defend myself. It is what it is. Ayan, more scene stickers. Diba? Sana po, Lord, magustuhan ko siya gawin. Kasi pag hindi, parang ang sayang. And then, we also have this. So, for those who journal, this is actually really important kasi pang-hold siya ng pages. Ayan o. See? Tara, ang cute, diba? Imbis na clip binder lang, or alam mo yun, yung generic. Cute. Diba? So, pag nag-video ka, nag-photo ka, siya na shaling dating, diba? And then, this one, I am praying na maganda yung laman. Kasi actually, I didn't open it. Because bawal. And I think, yeah, respeto, diba? So, ayan. So, ay! Parang masaya naman. So, it's like a sticker booklet. Tapos, maraming designs. So, I got 3. Ayan. Ay, ano na. Ayun. Magkakaiba naman siya. So, hopefully, it'll be really nice. This is a bookmark. Baliktad. This is a bookmark. Cute, diba? So, it's a violet flower bookmark. Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Uy, sobrang ka-pretty. So, sa journal lang din naman natin magagamit yan, actually. Kasi nga, we don't buy books anymore. We do e-books now. Bakit? Mas mura po. Kesa sa, mas mura siya kaysa sa actual books. And also, ayan na naman tayo. And also the space. Okay, I'll be honest. I don't have a big house. And you know what? That's perfectly okay. There's nothing to be ashamed. Okay, hindi malaki yung bahay ko yung gagawin natin. Mas mahirap yung magpe-pretend tayo just so other people would be impressed. Like, why would I want to impress other people? Yayaman ba ako? Pag yayaman ako, sige, pwede. Pag-usapan natin paano yon. Pero kung hindi, hello? Diba? Okay, anyway, ayan na. So, these are notepads. Cute notepads. Ayan. So, if you're journaling, this is something you might want to have kasi it helps with, palagay mo yung, sabihin natin yung photos, stickers, and then your little notes, lalagay mo dito. Cute lang siya. Again, not needed. It's nice to have. Okay, these are all nice to have, but not necessary to have, okay? So, I've allotted budget for this. My husband and I agreed on it. Okay? So, kaya I have these things. And also because I have this channel and I share with you guys things that I love. Pero, kung walang budget, wag nating ipipilit. But fortunately, these are like less than 100 pesos. So, kung may small budget, diba, why not? Pero pag wala, again, wag po nating ipipilit. Wag niyo sasabihin, sabi kasi ni Kati, kailangan, dudukdukin ko kayo. Wag po ganon, okay? Wag natin ipipilit. Hindi po tayo dapat nagpapanggap just to, I don't know, go with the flow. So, ayan. May mga ganito rin. So, these are also sticker books. Buksan natin yung, ay, grabe, ang ganda. Oh, I have this thing for the girl stickers. So, yan yung laman. Ayan. Oh, diba? Gawa tayo ng ano, ang tawag nila doon? Flip through. Let me know if you guys want a flip through. Actually, kahit hindi yung gusto gagawin ko. Kasi gusto kong gawin. So, ayan. O, diba? A friend of mine told me, alam mo, kahit 11 views lang, 11 views pa rin yun. It's like, oo nga, no? Saka, it makes me happy to do these things, diba? So, if other people also find happiness in what I do, di bongga. And if not, again, there's like a million more other channels you can watch. Diba? This one, I remember si Salmon HQ. Love na love ko kasi yung brand na yun. O, diba? Mga sushi, salmon. And then, ayan. Mapapaghalata po. Makapusa po talaga ako. Pero I love dogs din. But, pusa kasi they're like my first love, in a way. O, diba? Ayan. See? Ito actually, bookmarks siya. Pero pwede rin siyang pang-design sa journal. Feeling ko ha. Feeling ko lang naman. And then, ayan. We also have this. Tada! O, diba? I think 4 yung ganito ko. Bakit? Kasi po, meron akong pangit na ugali. Yung gusto ko kumpleto, ganun. Kaya, ingat din talaga ako dapat sa mga kukunin ko eh. Kasi yun na nga, ba diba? Gusto ko kompleto. So, gawan din natin yan ng mga videos para makita nyo yung laman. Ito ngayon, haul muna tayo, ha? Pag inisa-isa kasi natin lahat to. Yan, my little prince. Cute. Pag inisa-isa ka po kasi natin to, baka 3 hours na, hindi pa tayo tapos. May humabal pa pala. Mochi cats. Ayan, lapit na tayo matapos. This is, I am assuming, these are washi tapes na you can color. So, it's a DIY washi tape. Ayan, kukulayan mo and then you can cut and paste na. Minsan napapaisip ako kung creative pa ba sila o tamad na sila. Tapos ayun yung pinagagawa. Diba? Ayan. Meron pa po tayong isa pang clip. So, actually, I think I have 4 of these clips. This is not my first time inside KKV. Ayan. Diba? Cute. But this is the first video haul that I've made. But iyon. Kasi nga, and then for my collection of animal pins. So cute. Ayan. Patapos na ba ako? And then I have this. So, it's a stamp. I have 4 other stamps, one of which was a duplicate. So, I might just do a giveaway. Tingnan natin, okay? Cute, diba? It's a witchy cat. Pakita kayo loob. Ayan. So, if you're into stamps, this is, I think this was a little bit expensive. Parang mga 75. Ayan. Pero maganda naman kasi yung details. Oh, diba? So, okay lang yun. And then, the last one, ito, grabe, sobrang happy ako dito. Kasi, 35, 19, andun sa dalawa eh. Parang, isipin natin 35. Tada! Ayan, oh. Mga stickers. Grabe, diba? Oh. Hihi. Ayan, guys. Ang dami niya. Wait lang. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo? And, alam ko talaga, like 35 ang isang strip. That's really cheap, ha, for the stickers ng journaling. So, okay. So, mag-ano na tayo. Do I recommend KKV? Definitely yes. Kasi maraming on a budget na pwede doon. If you have like 200, medyo marami ka na rin pwedeng iuwi if you're smart about what you purchase. If you have a really big budget, ang dami mo talaga sobrang pwedeng iuwi. But again, what I want to remind everyone is, these are wants. These are not needs. These are not necessary if you are on a budget na iinggit ka why not ipon ka, buy a few things, 'di ba? Unang-una with journaling, you can actually do junk journaling. Meaning, kung ano yung mga makita mo sa paligid, dahon, wrapper, scrap paper, and then, you know, you just really need glue and your pen, a notebook, hindi kailangan magandang notebook, pwede mo siyang pagandahin. What journaling is all about is really expressing yourself. It doesn't mean na you need these things. Ay, Cathy, bakit ikaw? Ako kasi, binadgetan ko naman to. Nagtatrabaho po ako ng maigi at mabuti para I can help provide for my family, and at the same time, you know, tustusan yung kabaliwan ko sa ganito. But I'm not encouraging others to, you know, to buy these things if it's not in the budget. Wag po tayong ganon. We prioritize other things pa rin. Food, health, safety, education. And this one, I only advocate for this kung pasok sa budget at kaya naman. Again, hindi mo kailangan yung ganito kadami. You just need a little few. And if hindi pa talaga pasok sa budget, alam ko maraming giveaways, promotions, yung mga different brands. Join, it's not gonna add anything to the cost. Join, malay mo, ikaw yung manalo. Okay? I hope this helped out someone, this helped inspire someone, this helped give clarity on the arts and craft things that you can buy at KKV. Again, it's not sponsored. Wish ko lang. I don't think they even know I existed, and that's totally fine. I was just really happy to do this. I did take videos inside the store, but that's gonna be another video kasi feeling ko that's another 20-minute video. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Again, goal is 10,000 subscribers at the end of the year. See you! Bye! Thank you for watching!